Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pasta. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a pinch of salt. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them combine better with the flour. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's mix the dough. On a clean surface, make a well in your flour and crack the 2 eggs directly into it. Gently whisk the eggs with a fork, slowly pulling in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough for about 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your pasta wonderfully chewy and pliable. After kneading, wrap your dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it much easier to roll. Next, divide the dough and roll it out very thinly, either with a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Aim for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch. Finally, cut your pasta into your preferred shapes, like fettuccine or pappardelle. The final step is cooking your delicious homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried, so keep a close eye on it. Drain quickly and toss with your favorite sauce for an incredible meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.